Hello, welcome to Better Sheets. We're going to talk about some of the most basic keyboard shortcuts that are incredibly time saving and are going to make you so much faster when using Google Sheets. Here they are. We're going to talk about paste values. We're going to talk about going to the end. And then I'm going to let you go because if you are getting this for free, you're going to get the paste values and the command up and down, the go to end one. And I think those two are going to make you so much faster. If you want to continue and see how to select large amounts of data and you want to even hear about the use cases of clear formatting, then go ahead and pay for lifetime access to bettersheets.co right now. That video is waiting for you once you become a member. But today, let's just go through these really, really, really awesome keyboard shortcuts that I use all day. What's happened is we have, like, say, a list of lots of data right here, right? And we have a column that has a formula in it. But we have, let's move that all the way down here. Let's do this. So we have all of these are formula. Now, we don't want to copy the formula. If we do that, Command C, Command V over here in the column D, if we just copy and paste it, we're going to get that formula again. And that formula is going to change to 1 over. Right here, it is A2, and it's going to change to C2 here. And that's really, really to deal with. And we just want, Gracie, we just want this data over here just for some reason, right? So what we do is we do Command C to copy, and then we hold down the Shift key, Command and V to paste values here. So all we're doing is pasting the values. This is incredibly useful if we want to grab this data, right? But also if we want to create like a little summary page, we want like maybe the top 3, maybe it's some kind of ranking system. Top 3 get a nice color, get higher, bigger text, and we want to grab the top 3, move them over here, and oh, we made a mistake. Oh, the actual top 3 over here, we want their full names, and we don't want to have to redo this formatting, so we do copy, then move over here, Shift Command V, and there we have the winners, these top 3. Or maybe we're like, oh, again, we don't want their full name here. We just want their first names. We don't have to do the formatting ever again. We just have to Command copy and then Shift Command V for copy paste values. Really, really useful keyboard shortcut if you're using a PC or if you have a different setup. Then here I'll show you what it looks like. You go copy is Command C. You can find out the keyboard shortcut here. And then your paste values is in paste special. It's the first one here, paste values only. Here it shows me Command, Shift, and V. On yours, if you're using a PC, it'll tell you something else here. Go ahead and find it there. That's paste values. Next one. This is so useful when I'm moving around data. So let's kill this row, right? If we want to kill an entire row, most of the time we're going to just go over to this column and header right above the first column, click here, and we get the whole column. But say we don't want the entire column. Maybe we just want, let's have maybe some blank spaces here, right? And we just want, oh, no, we got a top 10. We have these 10, and then we have maybe some blank spaces, or let's not kill that data. Let's just insert one above, right? We have this top 10. We just want this top 10. And honestly, if you only have a few cells to highlight, you just want to click and drag, right? But what if it was the top 100? What if this was down here? You know, we are struggling to scroll down hundreds of rows. So here's what you should do. You hold down the command and you hit the down arrow. And what that's going to do is it doesn't take you to the end of the column, though. What it's doing is it's taking you to when it's the next the last non-empty row. And so to get through the empty ones, you have to click command and down arrow again. Click and command and down arrow again and again. And this is a really good way to get through the data very fast. If, for instance, we had, let's just not have those there, right? Let's do this. Let's go to the top. And now you can see that just with holding down command going down and hitting the down key, I can get to the very bottom. If there's no empty cells, this is really, really handy to get through lots of data. I mean, it's only 61 rows in this one, but maybe there's hundreds or thousands. I've had to go through data where there was like empty rows on like 100 rows out of like 10,000, and I all I had to do was hold down the command key and click the down arrow. I never had to scroll through and look at this visually again. Now, if you are getting this for free, you have gotten hopefully some awesome, awesome tips. Now, go ahead and get more over at bettersheets.co. Sign up for lifetime access right now. And if you're a paid member, we're going to keep on going, and I'm going to share with you how to highlight and select all of those rows. You can even see Shift, and then I'm going to show you how and why we use clear formatting. Thank you so much. Bye.